3, 2, 1, go!
We are for NU!
Graduate na ng first year si Ken Daniel Beren.
Kachat ka si Sir Denso. Ala! Friendship! And the best cited research.
Presenting our Office of the Vice President and Creative.
Again, requesting everyone to please come up on stage for your group photo. And together with your advisor, Mr. Audrey Arias Blanchard.
Sample. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
We are for NU!
Three, two, one, go!
We are for NU!
Hindi ko dala yung ano ko. Saan titigil? Rar! Papa! Sapal!
Ay, naku. Naka-off yan? Hindi, naka-on. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog! Hi guys!
The Bar Studios vision was fulfilled with the help of everyone in the team. Now let's move on to the presentation.
Again, everyone, please settle down as we begin the awarding of the most active committee.
Dapat yung mala ano, yung mala buka, yung buha, yung gano'n.
Active committee, Ernest Junicio.
Sumunod ka lang. Inuto ka lang, te, sumunod ka. Go!
Hindi, pa ganun pataas. Pataas.
Yan nga.
Yan.
Congratulations to Yan.
Ba, 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 ba.
Chinese.
Ay! Video!
Next award is the most promising committee are the following: Jessica Beltran and Jean Chloe Casigas.
Recording daw.
Ipasan yung ganito.
Basa-basa daw.
Committee of the Year, we have Marcano.
Hey, what's up guys? Nawala si Teko.
Next award is our Creative Writer of the Year. We have
Sorry po.
Sabi ko yung...
once again our Creative Writer of the Year. We have Marcana James
Ang lapit
Cuba.
Ano ba? Kanina pa.
Hi! Ako po si Alex.
Ah, hey, Barkada pala! Hey, Barkada!
Hey, Barkada! Hey, Barkada!
Yan!
Hey, Barkadas!
Nawala ka.
Hi! Hey, Barkadas! Hey,
Our next award is our Sports Writer of the Year.
Hey, Barkadas. Ay, napatay.
Hey, Barkadas!
Once again, our
Hey,
Sports
Barkada!
Writer of the Year. We have Barkada Jenny Jane Pablo.
Hi, Barkada! Hey, Barkada! Hey, Barkada! Super loud!
Hey, Barkada! Hey, Barkada! Super lang sila pag mag-iba eh. Hey, Barkada! Hey, Barkada!
Next award is our
Hey, Barkadas.
of the Year. Dalawa sila. First is
Hey,
David Michael Delibog and
And Barkada John Blanca de Hogan.
Hey, Barkada!
Once again, Barkada John Blanca de Hogan.
Hey, Barkada!
Hey, Barkada! Ganun lang? Hey, Barkada ka daw sa camera.
Dito.
Ganun ka lang.
Hey, Barkada.
Nag-record pa ba yan?
Hi, Barkada! Balikan niya na lang. Basa-basa daw. Hi, Barkada!
Next, congratulations to our photographer.
Barkada!
Photographer of the Year. Sino kaya? Congratulations to Barkada Aver. Bravo.
Tawa na! Tawa na!
Si Zoe, tingin-tingin. Hey, Barkada!
of course, meron tayong photographer. We have the videographer.
Hindi ko makita. Ano ba to?
And he is Arnie Bananas.
Okay na ito. Magkala ng daw.
Hey, Barkada! Ganda?
Sa harap
Servicero.
Ano, wala magbibideo sa amin. Maldita siya. Maldita yun.
Hey,
Barkada!
Barkada Junior!
Hindi nyo kami narinig? Siguro hello Barkada. Kasi nag-hey kami eh. 1, 2, 3. Hey Barkada! Galing.
Next for our
So, walang
sports
dalawa dyan.
correspondent of the year goes to
1.
Barkada Denzel Santos.
1, 2, 3. Hey Barkada!
Hey, Barkada!
Ay, sarap! Hey Barkada! Hala, nakakahiya. Hala lang.
Nakakaya tumabi kay Denzi. Naliliit ako.
Hey Barkada, so nag-record pala to. Hey Barkada.
Hey, Barkada! Hi, Sarah!
Hey Barkada ka mag-isa.
Hey, Barkada!
Hey Barkada kayo.
Hey, Barkada! Hey, Barkada!
Gutom na ba kayo?
Yes!
Kung sino may-ari nito, i-edit mo to ah.
Tapos as I looked at everyone, I realized, parang we've made that moment. Na-realize ko na, gaya ng sabi ni Sir Aldrin kanina, we started from a 15-member group, and at us now, we're 100 plus.
Last 5 minutes to settle down para makapag-prepare na rin yung CSE sa Manila Island. We have 5 more minutes to clear the venue.
Oh, galing ko marinig to.
Ano na namin to ni ano, ni Aiden? Hindi ako matagal din.
Tagal na yan.
Ngayon ko lang siya dinala.
Patingin naman mo. Pang-block. Kapag pinapagayagan na sa nature trips, gano'n. Pero parang ang hirap kaya.
Kayo mo eh. Cavite pa lang.
Pero ikaw di ba pinapayagan ka na? Ano bang ano?
In grateful recognition for her contribution in Bark TV, we award Maria Isabel Ramos for her great contribution.
Oh, photo. 1, 2, 3. Apat.
Ng gate crush.
Wala, ang cute ng mirror.